everyone, so in this video we're going to be doing a day trading challenge with Justin Baldori. Justin and I are going to be challenging each other and we're both going to start off with $10,000 and see who can make the most money by the end of the day by day trading on the ASX market. But before we get into the video, I did want to note that it's not real money. We're actually trading with like fake money on a demo account on CMC markets, because honestly I would never do this with real money. I value it way too much to lose any money. So with that said, let's get into the video. Oh, and the loser also has to take a bite of this onion and eat it. So if you'd like to see who ends up eating this raw onion, make sure that you do stay till the end of the video. So welcome back to the channel, Justin. So today we are going to do some day trading because I've always been really curious about it. I've been seeing so many people talking about rockets and like how they've made heaps of money on it. And I just want to see like what the hype's about. Can you actually make money from it? Is that the way to be rich? So welcome, Justin.
Thanks for having me. It's a very fun challenge and video that we have going on here. I'm very nervous, I must say. Like, I've never day traded before, so I'm absolutely crapping my pants to see how it's going to go. But lucky it's fake money. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah, I know. I feel like I would just lose so much money if I was actually doing this for real. So I'm so glad it's fake money. And I just hate the feeling of like losing money. Like not even like $5. Like I just hate it.
I couldn't have said it any better myself.
Okay, so now Justin, walk me through what your day trading strategies are going to be.
All right, so I've thought about these long and hard, but I've only got 3 rules. I'm going to live by these for the next, 6 hours of the trading day. First rule is go hard or go home. I'm not doing like, buying one unit. I'm buying all in or nothing. Second rule is don't eat a goddamn onion. And third rule is never forget rules 1 and 2. So pretty straightforward. That's my plan, but let's see how it goes.
I love it. Yeah, actually, I don't even have a plan. Like I'm just going to be frantically looking up videos about how to day trade and how to read charts and things like that. Honestly, I'm so nervous about this. Like,
yeah, I tried to do that and I've got my Day Trading for Dummies book up here and it's not sinking into my brain. So we're going all or nothing.
Yeah, exactly. So good luck, Justin. You're going to need it. No, I'm
Likewise.
joking.
All right, we'll catch back up in a few hours and we'll see, how much money I've made.
Yeah, that sounds good. See ya.
We are 2 minutes away from kickoff. Absolutely pumped here. Got my setup already here. Got my mini watch list and let's see what we can do.
These people look like they're doing pretty well. So I'm just gonna buy them. So I made some trades. I've got about $6,000 in here. So $2,000 worth of Telstra, $2,000 worth of CBA, and $2,000 worth of Forescue metals. I really hope that Justin's doing worse than me, but I highly doubt it because it's only been a couple of minutes and I've already lost $30.
Currently 18 minutes in. Look at that. And look at the loss there. Oh God, we are down $58. This is going to be a rough day. Wish me luck.
Now I'm just going to do some more research into what the hell I'm doing. I just don't know how people do this. Okay, I bought another one, this metals company. So hopefully I make a good profit on this.
34 minutes in and we're down $100. Oh God. This definitely hasn't turned out how I wanted it to.
Oh my gosh, I made a profit of 82 cents. Killing it.
So it's nearly lunchtime, 11:53, and we're struggling down a few $100. I'm only into 3 positions at this point. I've got Afterpay, ANZ, Fortescue Metals. I definitely didn't get out of some of my positions early, so we are struggling. You can see it's not going too great, but look, we still got the afternoon. Let's hope we see a lot more of these greens. We don't want the reds here, but anyway, let's go get some lunch and then let's get back to it after lunch.
Afterpay's looking like it's it's moving pretty quickly, so maybe I'll buy in some Afterpay.
Very rough for this update. It's 12:17 and yeah, we're struggling a bit, but anyway, see what we can do. Got some big bets on a couple of the companies in here and See where it rides out, but so far there's a lot of red across the board. Man.
Oh shit. Why is it that every time I buy into a stock, it just starts going down? Like, I don't understand this. Let's go to the real experts on the ASX chat and see what people are buying.
So I've just got my lunch and I was really excited to come see my gains, and there are no gains. How am I going to enjoy my pie now?
I know now why people get really confused when they're trading on margin, because this is something I've never done before and I just thought I was buying normal shares, but I think I'm actually trading on margin. So now we're back. Justin, where are you at with your 10K?
Look, I'm at about $11,000. So how does that make you feel?
That makes me feel so
Nah, only
shit.
joking. I've absolutely tanked it. I'm like, what am I at here? So I'm about $350 down. I've changed my strategy. So my strategy was go hard or go home, and I didn't start with that. I was like picking and choosing a couple, and then in the end, it was about an hour and a half ago, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go all in on Afterpay. Yeah, well, we've still got the afternoon to go. I'm optimistic. How are you?
Okay,
How's your
all
account
right.
looking?
Yeah, it's looking pretty red at the moment. It's so sad. I'm at I'm negative $121, which really hurts. Like, that's just so fast to lose so much money.
I'm negative 350. What are you talking about? I'd love to be in your position. I've got that onion's looking at me right now. It's like, oh, that was my rule. Don't eat a bloody onion. But no, it's having fun. I'm actually learning a hell of a lot, but I'm also, yeah, I know I've found out firsthand it's bloody difficult. If this was my real $10,000, I'd be quite worried.
I'd be so stressed. And I'm already a bit stressed, like just watching my numbers like just go down. It's just so stressful.
Agreed.
Okay,
Yep.
well, we'll check back in a couple of hours and see where we're at the end of the day. Hey, so I just got off the phone with Justin, and the good news is he's actually down like $300, and I'm actually not down that much. I'm down $118. It's still a lot, and if this was real money, I'd be so sad, because that's like a really nice dinner somewhere. So I guess for me, what I have to do is just keep doing what I'm doing. Hopefully I'm not going to lose as much money as Justin. And you know what? Like, I know his strategy is going hard or going home.
I'm just going hard or going home.
But I think that's a terrible strategy, because look how it's working out for him now.
So I went all in on Afterpay pretty much. I chucked it about $8,000 in, and it's actually kind of paying off not too bad for me. Like, check this, it's just hit $7. We're still not anywhere near that 10, so we're struggling. I hope Queenie isn't anywhere near that, because I am not eating this onion. I can tell you that right now. But look, it's going pretty well. It's bumped up a little bit, still very small percentages, but guess what? We got those $11 gains.
I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm going to diversify my investments. I have no idea what I'm doing, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully maybe I can break even by the end of the day. Fingers crossed. I don't want to eat that onion.
As I said, it's time to go hard or go home. And I'm thinking of putting more money than I even have in my account on the old Afterpay. It's everybody's favorite. It's kind of at the day's bottom nearly here. So might give a little bit, and I'm thinking I'm going to chuck it all on. And I mean, the only way I'm going to get out of eating this onion is by going hard. So who knows?
My strategy isn't to make more money, it's just to maintain this level and try and not lose as much money as Justin, because we both know that he's going to be making some big risks and some big trades.
So putting all my money on Afterpay. Here we go. Oh yeah. Jeez, I hope this thing goes up, because I'm struggling. I hope Queenie is tanking it just like me, because I really don't want to eat an onion, but only time will tell. Go you, good thing.
So my strategy now is to just cut my losses. I'm going to sell everything. And yeah, because I really just don't think that it's going to go back up. This is really a sinking ship. And yeah, I'm going to cut my losses. I'm going to sell at a loss of $120. I just lost $10 in 2 minutes. Amazing.
So I placed some big bets this afternoon. I was down pretty low, but I think I got it back to half a reasonable number. Let's just hope Queenie has tanked it a little bit more than what I have, but stay tuned for the big reveal, and I don't want to eat that onion.
Who do you guys think will eat the onion at the end of the day? Let us know in the comments. Welcome back, Justin. So I guess now we should go through the strategy, like what we did in the last couple of hours to, I guess, make as much money as possible, or not lose as much money as possible. So what did you end up doing?
So I said how at the start of the day, I had my strategy, go hard or go home. And then I didn't do that in the initial few hours. And I was down like $600 or ended up being like down $600 or something stupid like that. In the end, after lunch, I was like, stuff it. So I just did big bets. I put all my money on different stocks pretty much. I just went in and out, traded up and down. And it was very chaotic, but hopefully some good results, but we'll see what happens. So how about you? How did you fare in the afternoon?
Okay, I was like, you know what? This is actually working a bit. So I'm just not going to like do any more like big bets. I'm actually going to start selling things just so I can cut my losses. And yeah, so that's what I ended up doing.
Well, I'm just hoping that I lost less than you. We both lost, I think. But I don't know. I'm just praying my losses were a little bit less, but I don't know. It's not a pretty number.
Okay, what did you get?
All right. So you ready? Drum roll. My account value is $9,759.87.
My God, you actually made quite a bit back. Like, how did you do
I was
that?
hustling, Queenie. I told you I was hustling this afternoon.
Oh my God, that's actually pretty close to mine. Mine's like $9,790.
Oh,
Those are like $50 difference. So close. Now you have to eat an onion. I'm so excited for this. I was actually kind of excited to like try like eating a raw onion, like an apple. Like,
well, I'm happy for you. I'm happy if you want to take the punishment.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, I knew this was happening, so I've got the bad boy here. I've actually peeled it because I'm not eating the skin because that is just disgusting. I don't know where that has been and he was touched that. So,
okay, get ready. This is so fun. Like
this is why you should never day trade, people. This is why you should never day trade. All right, quick you start, quick you finish. All right. Oh, count me down. 3.
Okay, 2, 1. Oh my God, the sound. It actually sounds like an apple. Oh, yuck. What's it taste like?
It tasted like failure.
No, I'm actually curious. Was it like really stingy or like is it bitter?
Ugh, it's like it doesn't taste like cooked onion. I can tell you that. It's just I don't know. It's really bizarre. I'm like crying now. That's really weird. It's not pretty, people. So that's probably why I'm not ever going to day trade again.
Yeah, I think so as well. And like, I think we'd be really terrible at day trading. Really, really
But that
terrible.
was fun.
It was fun.
I had a heap of fun.
I have a big appreciation for day traders now. Like that is hard work. Like I have no idea what these things mean. Like honestly.
What did you learn out of all this, Queenie? Because obviously we had a bit of fun. It was a bit silly and, we made some vlogs and all that. But, what did you learn over the past few hours?
I learned that I just have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to day trading. And the more you learn about it, the more you realize you don't know anything. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like the more you learn, the more you realize there's so much more to learn. And like, I just like would not want to learn that much. Like it's just too much, there's way too much to learn. What about you?
Yeah, same thing. I think I learned that obviously you really need to probably nail the type of investor you are early. If you do want to be a day trader, like obviously that's fine. Like I'm nothing against them, but that's just a whole new skill set and appreciation for that type of investing, you would say. If you want to go that sort of long-term path and more passive approach, then that's also okay too. Like we're obviously not here to tell you which one to do, but when you start to mix and match the both, like we did today, we're predominantly long-term investors, tried to day trade. It's a recipe for disaster and just has to be very cautious with the steps you take. So it was a great eye opener for me this day at how difficult it was. And, just learning about all these different charts, which, we then can apply to our long-term investing, I guess. So yeah.
I had no idea what the candlestick charts mean. Full disclosure, like I had no idea. And like now it makes sense.
A new appreciation for all you day traders out there. So if you're a day trader and you just cringe through this whole video, like first of all, thank you for getting this far and apologies for our absolute terrible day trading abilities, but you know, massive appreciation. And yeah, I just want to say thanks to everybody watching, and you know, hopefully, you know, you took a few things out of it.
Yeah, agree. And so did you. Took a bite out of an onion. No, next up, lemons. But I feel like lemon isn't so bad. I kind of do
I
like
could do a lemon. I reckon I could do it.
I really like sour things. Like, I'm like a strange person. But yeah, it was so good to chat to you. Like,
awesome.
Yeah, it was really fun. It was really fun watching you eat that onion.
Queenie, thanks for inviting me on the channel again. We will be back shortly.
Yes, we will. See ya.
See ya.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it useful. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a like and please check out Justin's channel. He's got some great videos about stock tips, so if you want to check that out, I highly recommend that you do. And I also did want to mention some key takeaways from this experience, from my first experience day trading, and that is I'm really bad at day trading, so I'm definitely not going to be doing this in the future with real money. No way. And it is a lot harder than it looks. Like, honestly, when I was watching those day trading videos, they make it look so easy, but there's just so much to learn when it comes to day trading. So if you are actually considering getting into day trading yourself, be wary of that. I found that the more videos I watched, the more confused I became and the more I realized I didn't understand day trading at all. So definitely be mindful when you are day trading, especially with real money. And if you want to see a part 2, make sure you leave a comment below saying you'd like to see a part 2. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.